Hello guys, welcome back to tutorial millennial channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete or remove your project and remove the chase in CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut apps and in here you can see many project, but if you wanna remove or delete this project, so you just click on the three dots in here. You can click on delete and delete. Click three dots again, click delete and click delete. And click three dots again, delete and delete, and then click three dots again, delete. And if you wanna delete for cache delete, you just click on the setting at the top button and swipe down. In here you can see a clear cache, this one, so just click on it and click OK. Finish. So that's how to delete the project and delete the cache. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.